Hi students, now we are going to discuss question number 4. Find the angle between the vectors. First subdivision 2i cap plus 3j cap minus 6k cap and 6i cap minus 3j cap plus 2k cap. So already we know that angle between two vectors, what's the formula? So theta is equal to what? Cos inverse of a vector dot b vector by modulus of a vector modulus of b vector. This is the angle between two vectors. So now we have to find a vector dot b vector modulus of a vector modulus of b vector. So now given vectors we have to take a vector is equal to 2i cap plus 3j cap minus 6k cap and b vector is equal to 6i cap minus 3j cap plus 2k cap. So first we have to find a vector dot b vector. So a vector value 2i cap plus 3j cap minus 6k cap dot 6i cap minus 3j cap plus 2k cap. So now 2 into 6 12, 3 into minus 3 minus 9, minus 6 into 2 minus 12. So that is equal to plus 12 and minus 12 get cancelled. So the answer is what? A vector dot b vector value minus 9. So a dot b value minus 9. Next we have to find modulus of a vector. Next modulus of b vector. First mod of a vector, that is equal to modulus of 2i cap plus 3j cap minus 6k cap. So modulus means what? Square root of 2 square plus 3 square, next plus minus 6 square. So the square root of 4 plus 9 plus 36, square root of 36 plus 4 40, 40 plus 9 49. So that is equal to square root of 49 value 7. So modulus of a vector is equal to what? 7. Next we have to find modulus of b vector. So modulus of b vector, that is equal to square root of 6 square, because b vector value 6. So square root 6 square plus minus 3 square plus 2 square. So now square root of 6 square 36 plus minus 3 square value 9 plus 2 square value 4. So it is equal to square root of 36 plus 4 40, 40 plus 9 49. So modulus of b vector value also 7. So already we found a dot b value minus 9, modulus of a vector 7, modulus of b vector value 7. Now I am going to substitute this value here. So theta is equal to what? Theta, a vector and b vector be the angle between two vectors. So theta is equal to cos inverse of a vector dot b vector by modulus of a vector modulus of b vector. So a dot b value minus 9 and b dot c value, a dot b value minus 9, modulus of a value is 7, modulus of b value is 7. I am going to substitute here. So now it is equal to theta is equal to cos inverse of minus 9 divided by 7 into 7. So minus 9 divided by cos inverse of minus 9 divided by 7 7s are 49. This is the angle between the two vectors, a vector and b vector. Okay, next we have the second subdivision. So I cap minus j cap and j cap minus k cap. So let us take the given vectors. A vector is equal to I cap minus j cap and b vector is equal to j cap minus k cap. So now already we know that angle between two vectors, so theta is equal to what? Cos inverse of a vector dot b vector by modulus of a vector modulus of b vector. Now we have to find a vector dot b vector. So a vector dot b vector is equal to a vector I cap minus j cap dot b vector is equal to j cap minus k cap. So now we are going to take dot product. I dot I, here not I, so 0. Next j dot j, here 1 in minus 1 into 1 minus 1, here not k, so 0 minus 0, so that is equal to what? Minus 1. So a vector dot b vector value minus 1. Next we have to find out modulus of a vector. So modulus of a vector is equal to square root of 1 square plus minus 1 square, k value 0, 0 square. So that is equal to square root of 1 plus 1 root 2. So modulus of a vector is equal to root 2. Next we have to find modulus of b vector. So that is equal to square root of b is equal to what? 0, because I is not there, so 0 square plus j value 1 square, k value minus 1 square. So square root of 1 plus 1, that is also root 2. So modulus of b vector equal to root 2. So now theta is equal to cos inverse of a dot b by modulus of a modulus of b. A dot b value minus 1, modulus of a value root 2, modulus of b value root 2. Now I am going to substitute here. So theta is equal to cos inverse of a vector dot b vector by modulus of a vector modulus of b vector. So it's equal to cos inverse of a dot b already we found minus 1, modulus of a value root 2, modulus of b value root 2. So this is equal to cos inverse of minus 1 by root 2 into root 2, that is equal to what? 2. So now cos 120 value, cos 120 degree, cos 120 degree, that is equal to what? Minus 1 by 2. So now I am going to substitute here. So cos inverse of cos 120, so cos and cos get cancelled, so theta is equal to 120 degree. So 120 degree we can write, so pi by 3 means what? Pi by 3 means 60 degree. So next pi by 2 means what? 90 degree. Pi means what? 180 degree. Pi by 4 means what? 45 degree. So now 60 degree means what? Pi by 3. So 2 into 60, 120. So we can write 2 into pi by 3. So theta is equal to what? 2 pi by 3. So this is the answer for the second subdivision. Okay, thank you children.